What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In the last video you saw me remove some of the fairings and also showed you guys all the damages that I could see. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link in the description below, so make sure you check it out. In today's video I'm going to remove all the broken and damaged pieces in the front and then make my way to the back. I'll see how much I can get done today, but without further ado, let's get into the video. Check this out, you guys. I just finished removing the front wheel and there's literally no damage on the radiator. I mean, the frames are a little bit bent, but that's just from stones flying around. And the forks are straight, there's no bent forks, the frame's not cracked at all. I mean, this is a little weird because of the damage on the wheel. And so I spoke to the guy I bought the bike from, and he said that this front wheel is actually not from this bike at all, and that the original only had some light scratches on and he sold it to a guy that needed it. He had this wheel as a spare and decided to put it on the bike so that he can move the bike around. That makes everything a lot easier because now I don't have to remove the triple tree or the forks or the radiator to see if there's any more hidden damages. So now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and remove the tank so that I can remove this battery tray and the rest of the plastic pieces as well as the tail light. Alright guys, I got the tank out and all the plastic pieces at the back as well as the tail light. Now I need to remove this battery tray. In order to do that I need to remove this regulator rectifier and then the fuse box as well as all the wire harnessing at the back. So let's get to work. Alright guys, the battery tray is removed as well as the mudguard. I removed the mudguard because it's got some scratches on it and I'd like to make it look new or as good as new. And I also removed the broken brackets that hold the fairings. Now that that's complete, let's go ahead and start removing the accessories off of the broken handlebar. Alright guys, so all the accessories for the handlebar is off, and you guys noticed that I removed some accessories that were unnecessary to remove. For example, this throttle holder cable thing, and that's because I want to send this for powder coating because the color has faded a little bit. It's not black anymore. I'm not sure if they try to spray this, because you'll notice that it's black in the middle, but it's like a army color, greenish army color on top. So I want to send it for powder coating. Over here we've got a pair of brand new wheels that I want to install. They already came with the discs and the sprockets. Now most of you are probably wondering why I didn't just buy a front wheel, and that's because I couldn't find a front wheel with this red tape on it. And if I only just bought this front wheel, I would have to install the red tape on it so that it can match the back wheel. And so I thought it would just be easier to buy a pair of wheels and then sell the back wheel with the red tape. As well as I got a S-bend link pipe. This pipe was actually pretty hard to find, seeing as they don't make these anymore. So all I need now is a slip-on. And with that being said, that's going to be a wrap for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. And if you want to see the CBR come back to life, make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. Also guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram so that you can get an inside scoop before YouTube. Until next time, peace.